Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can change your profile picture in Parler app. It's really easy and it really doesn't matter if you're using iPhone or the Android because the process is pretty much the same. Alright, so first of course open Parler app and then you need to click on your profile icon that is on a top left, and the next step you need to click on profile, and once you are on the your profile, then you need to click on little gear icon that is on the top right, and you should see this window. And simply, if you want to change your profile picture, just click on basically profile picture that is in a white background, and then little pop-up shows up, so you can take photo right now or you can pick photo from your library. So I will take photo right now. As you can see here, let's take the photo. Press use photo on the bottom right, and you can crop it, you can rotate it, do whatever you want, and then press done. And as you can see here, that's how we can change photo on Parler app. So guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.